Okay, I'm here this afternoon with Dan Andersen, with Dan Andersen Financial, and the topic of today's conversation is about student loans. So Dan, there's some programs that are out there for people with student loans. What should they know about that?
So programs that are out there are designed to actually help people, get people to the next level as far as so they can especially buy. That's the whole reason of this video. One of them is, IDA is promoting that they have the ability to help you out with $40,000 up to 15% of the purchase price or $40,000, whichever is less, in order to help cover your student loans and make things more affordable for you to buy, plus an additional $5,000 for your down payment. Even though this sounds like a fantastic option, there's a lot of limitations and a lot of details that go behind it that a client needs to know. When contacting us at the Andersen team, we'll make sure that not only do you know about the whole program, you'll know if this fits you and if this is the right way to go. And we're always here to help with just a phone call.
Thanks, Dan. Now, everybody's always conscious about the rate. They always want to shop the rate. How is the rate on the student loan program compared to, say, what the current market rate is right now?
So anytime you're going with the current market rate and going with a normal, regular, conventional loan, or even FHA, you're going to obtain the lowest best rate, without a doubt. The programs that are out there usually have a little bit higher of a rate, but historically, still ridiculously low. On top of that, much lower than what you're seeing with your student loan rate. Okay. So no matter what, it's a win, Stan.
Cool. That's good to know. Now, what if somebody has more than $40,000 in student loans?
So the program is set up in different ways as far as if you do have more than $40,000, you're really going to want to contact us with federal and non-federal backed loans. A lot of that stuff comes into play. Some people you'll see have 20 different loans on their credit report, or sometimes they'll lump it into one big one. Just contact us, we can go through that and explain it all.
And this program is fairly new, so they're still working out the nuances on all of this, correct?
Correct. This is all fairly new to everybody, but the guidelines are pretty straightforward. Again, it just matters, does this fit you? Is this the best option? And remember this too, if you have more than $40,000 in student loans, which is pretty high actually, you might not qualify for the program based on income.
Okay.
There's factors that come into play that you have to be able to fit within the parameters of the program.
Well, that's good to know. All right, so now for someone that's in forbearance during this COVID pandemic, what should they know?
So if you're in the forbearance, because of the pandemic and everything else, we still have to calculate a payment. Usually that right now, the minimum is 0.5%. For example, you have $10,000 in student loans, it's $50 a month. Not gonna hurt you, you can still buy. An attorney that just got their law degree and has $100,000 in student loans can still buy. Okay. It's not about what you owe as far as a total dollar, it's about the monthly payment. That's what the lenders look at. I know it's going till January 31st for anyone that's in forbearance because of the pandemic. February 1st should be changing and the payment should be coming back in. Of course, with everything going on in this world, who knows what they'll change and how it will be better for you. Right. So, just keep paying attention to the news and Google it and find out what's going on. If we have any information, we'll definitely be here to share it with you.
Okay. Dan, one more question for you. For those that don't know anything about you and your company, you do more than just the student loan programs out there.
Yes.
Why should they use you, Dan Andersen, and Andersen Financial?
So we do everything from your conventional 3% down first-time home buyer to your FHA 3.5% down to jumbo loans, VA loans. We handle everything. The reason why you would want to use us is very simple. We have over 700 5-star reviews. We love what we do. Almost 400 clients we've helped in 2020. Every single one of them has been extremely happy, especially with how difficult the industry has been in 2020. We made them all happy. We close everything on time. I tell every client we don't make mistakes, and everything we say will precisely happen the way we say it. And those are very bold words, but I can tell you right now, you'll be happy. We love what we do.
It's not bragging if you can back it up, right?
Exactly.
Well, Dan, I appreciate your time. Thanks much. And for further information, they can contact me at 815-955-8893. Dan, your number is?
708-261-2665.
All right, stay safe. Thank you.
Stan, pleasure.
Appreciate it, Dan. Thank you.